Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to a new vlog. If you have watched my previous vlog, you'll see I'm wearing the same outfit as I ended it in. It's because I literally just ended that vlog. And I was like, well, while I'm vlogging, I might as well start the next one. So today's Friday, it's the 18th, and for some reason, I'm not sure why, maybe it's because I've been doing like some opening shifts at work, it seems like it's later in the week. Like, it feels like it's already like Sunday, but it's not, it's Friday. I do have so much planned for this weekend though. I started a new cosplay project that I'm gonna need some help with, so I'm getting some help tomorrow from a friend of mine. I'm not sure if I'm gonna vlog that or not, but I'm really excited for this project, and I'm not actually shooting this week, I don't think. I think I'm putting it off a bit because I'm doing this new cosplay work and I'm trying to learn how to use foam basically. So today I went out and I decided I was finally gonna go buy a Dremel because I don't have one and I've wanted one for a while. So I looked up what stores had them around me, and a Home Depot near me said that they had 6 in stock of the one I wanted. So I went there. I should have called ahead, but I didn't. And I went there and they had 0, and they were like, oh yeah, we're like redoing our like store or something. I was like, ugh. So then I took it to another Home Depot, so that kind of sucked, but at least I have one now. And then I kind of spent my day trying to learn how to use it, and I was watching like a lot of YouTube tutorials. I mean, I've been watching other cosplayers and their YouTube videos and their like how-to tutorials and stuff for years, but I find that a lot of their tutorials don't deal, and even just tutorials on how to use like a Dremel or how to use a heat gun, stuff like that, they don't really go into like the finer details of stuff. Like, I needed to know stuff about like literally like how to assemble the Dremel because the instructions that it came with were quite confusing. So stuff like that, just like stuff like how to like yeah, put it together, like use it. Like, I feel like so many of the tutorials are really like art and creative centered, which is like awesome, but we're lacking in like the like technical minutia of it, which is what I needed. So I'm getting an expert friend to help me tomorrow. And then yeah, I got like a bunch of other fun stuff planned for this weekend. Hopefully I get to do it all, but it should hopefully be a more interesting vlog at least than last week's. So we just tried to shoot in this alley in the arts district and it smelled so bad, like pee. Like,
I want you to do like a back one.
I don't want to get on this wall though.
No, you don't have to touch the wall. Just get along the side of it.
Oh my god. It was like literally like a porta potty, but okay. It was making me very like feel very like sick and grossed out. So we're gonna go back to Pasadena City Hall, which people don't use as a toilet as frequently, I think. It's Pawnee! Yeah, I got the wind again.
Hopefully. There. A little more. Right there. That's dead center. You can do anything right there.
There's always people doing like wedding photo shoots here and like Quinceanera photo shoots, graduation photo shoots, and then there's me. Rui thinks we're gonna see some other cosplayers here too because this is a pretty popular location. Yeah, there's a lot of shoots going on here today. We used to shoot here all the time, but we switched it up.
Let's try this side. Turn your back. Which way are you going?
We go that way to my.
Because you're the okay. Like watching the show. That's a quinceanera.
Are you telling me or are you telling them?
I'm telling you, that's a
You're right.
quinceanera. Cómodo. No, I just did. Like, I was just staring. Like, do you have a point to your staring? Up one, and we'll do some sitting.
I want to sit more. That's from Parks and Rec. We're in Pawnee City Hall. I just went into another wedding or quince up here.
Another what?
Wedding or quince up here. Like,
For sure.
Just came down.
I know. I thought for sure that guy that came down, the photographer, was with that girl.
I didn't realize there was like a whole other group up here. It feels like my pants fell down. It's just my socks, but it feels like my pants.
It all comes back to you, and you're all alone, falling headlong into the inside round. Whoa, it all blackens out and you wake up on the floor, trying to stand up now, but you can't take it more. Is there anyone out there? Anyone? I've tried it all, nothing breaks the fall. Slowly you fall into your arms. Is there anyone out there? Anyone? I've known myself and hid the scars. Now I'm reaching to stay in your arms.
I haven't done very much shooting with just my camera on the dash of this car like I used to do with my old one. It's a bit more difficult because my old car didn't have this thing. So I don't know how that's gonna work. But yeah, I just finished my shoot. Now I'm trying to take these leg things off, which are super annoying, and these shoes, which are super uncomfortable. I have to go get gas, which is gonna be interesting because I'm still wearing this. I always hate doing that, you know, because like you can't go anywhere and people stare at you. I also have like a square on my head where I ripped off my makeup because I had to like tape the thing to my head, and I just like there's like a square missing. I don't know if you can tell in this light. Gas is so ridiculously expensive here. I'm in Pasadena right now, but even where I live, it's just so expensive. But it's like, it's literally almost $5 a gallon. So hopefully I have cash and then I don't need to like fill up my car all the way until I find like a cheaper location or cheaper gas station. That's kind of like my strategy right now. Forgot I had these taped to my legs. Yeah, I've been kind of having a rough morning because I don't know if you guys remember with my last car, it had like this like huge dent in the side of it, and that dent came from my parking lot in my apartment because it has this like really sharp right turn that has like a pole right there, which makes it like even narrower and even sharper and just terrible and terrifying. So when I got my new car, I've been street parking it because I'm so afraid of that turn and what it did to my last car because it destroyed the side of it. But I decided last night, I was like, this is stupid. I have a parking spot. I should use it. So I parked in our parking lot again, and of course this morning scratched the side of my brand new car that I've had for like a month and a half. So I'm pretty pissed. It's not nearly as bad as it was with my last car, but it's still a scratch on my brand new car. So I'm messaging a friend of mine who has like a scratch repair business, hopefully to get a quote from him. But yeah, I was like crying on the way to my shoot. Like I was so pissed because yeah, brand new car. I've been being like so careful with this car. Like it's not a good day. Yeah, I've just basically subscribed to join my OnlyFans. This is my plea. You know, it's free to subscribe on OnlyFans. And then it's just like, there's like paid content, extra stuff, older Patreon stuff, all sorts of good stuff. So help me out of this one. So here's a pic of the scratch. See, it's dented a little here. It's not like the worst, but I'm just mad because the car is so new. Last little thing for this vlog, it's already Wednesday, so usually I go ahead and end vlogs already, but I kind of mentioned making my first foam thing, which you guys saw on my shoot, which is the little like headband piece for my Wanda cosplay. So let me show it to you. This is what we made. I went over to Armored Heart Cosplay's house and we made that together, had a little crafting day, and she taught me how to make it. Which is amazing because I've really been wanting to get more into making things again, which I think I've mentioned before, but I used to make all of my cosplays and that kind of stopped, and I feel like I got into this rut of just like trying to get new content out constantly, but not really focusing on the parts that I really love about cosplay, which is like the crafting of it. So I'm trying to get more into that, and so I might have I might have less shoots coming up in the future as I try and get a little bit away from that kind of just, you know, getting things and wearing them, and more into the crafting side of it. So with any, you know, what I'm hoping to do is kind of transition into, yeah, more crafting vlogs, and then kind of less just like shooting a new thing every week. But yeah, I didn't obviously vlog the crafting, but I'm hoping to do a lot more of vlogging my crafting. I just haven't decided on what my next project is gonna be. I just can't decide. I'm just low. I'm like inspired to create stuff, but I'm low on inspiration on what I want to create. So if you guys have any suggestions, especially of like kind of more simple stuff that I can kind of just get started on while I'm learning how to do this foam stuff, that would be great. Be sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have any ideas, because yeah, I'm like very eager to like keep crafting and keep learning new skills. I just don't know what I want to make. So if you guys have any ideas, it would be very appreciated. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog and actually start a new one today, like right now. I just kind of wanted to show you guys the finished product. You know, I mean, you saw it on my head, but just kind of show it to you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment, let me know what you think, let me know if you have any ideas for future projects. If you want to see more of me, I am literally on like all the social medias. You can follow me everywhere. Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. I have a Patreon and an OnlyFans. You can follow me there. Links to everything are in the description box down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Okay, we're done. Invented another Supergirl look.
Square.
Yeah,
head.
square tape head, cheese girl.
Girl.
You fired cheese,
Miss
remember?
Cheese.
Miss Cheese, or super cheesy,
Super cheese.
Miss Cheesiest.
That's it. That's the one.